Greetings from NeuronThemes. An archive page refers to a collection of posts grouped by category, tags, author, date, etc. Your posts are collected in a reverse chronological order in which you can assign categories, tags, or any other taxonomy. So when you create an archive page, all the information is retrieved and you can give your users a historical background of your page. To begin building an archive page is following almost the same procedure as creating a search results page, to which we have made a video for. I will list the link in the description box below. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Templates, Theme Builder. Here, as per usual, you will find all the templates you have created. Click on the Archive tab to start creating your archive page. Next, click on Add New, name your template, and click on Create Template. As per usual, you will find all the beautifully created templates that you can pick and choose on an instant. You can always build your archive page from scratch with the advanced tools available. We will choose one of the pre-made designs. Simply click on Insert. This archive was created using the archive post element, from which the content is generated dynamically by the filter that you choose. You can add functionality to your archive page. Choose a variety of styles and features like the skin, layout, add metadata by author, date, time, or comments. Design your templates with the tool located at the Styles tab. Other elements related to the archive template include the archive title. Let's drag it onto the page and let's customize it. From the Options panel, you can see that the title was dynamically generated. If you click on the wrench icon, the element determines the type of archive you have, like an author or category archive. You can add or remove the archive term by simply switching the handle on or off from the Include Context option. Under Advanced, you can add text before or after the title, or leave a fallback option for when data is missing. Let's style our title. We'll align it to the center. Let's add some bottom padding of 50 pixels, and that should do it. On a quick note, WordPress by default sets the number of pages at 10. You can increase the value if you go to the WordPress dashboard, Settings, Reading, and under the Blog Pages Shown at Most, set the number of posts you want to be shown. We'll leave it at 4. And don't forget to click on Save Changes. Back in the customization area, the Archive Posts element generated content dynamically. So to see how your template looks on other archives, all you need to do is click on this Preview icon, Settings, and under the Preview Dynamic Content As option, select the term you want to filter by. Let's see how our collection category looks like. Click on Categories Archive and type in the collection category. Click on Apply and Preview, and there you have it. Now, we need to make sure you greet your user the proper way, even if there's no content to be shown for the term they searched. Create a custom message. Let's click on the Archive Post element to open the Options panel. Under the Content tab, Advanced, type here the custom message you want to display, and let's see how it looks. And for the final step, you will need to add conditions to your archive template. You can assign your template to be shown for all archives, or select a more specific condition to assign the template only on that taxonomy. That's it for the archive. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and tutorials. Keep creating and be safe.